Hey, I know it's been a while since I did one of these videos. I have been working very diligently on this thing to get it to a place that I've been fearing since I bought the trailer. So let's kind of go over what's happened since the last time we were all here on YouTube together. So, pink insulation's in and taped and the frame all cleaned up and then plywood put back in. So from there, we went to the flooring, which I got from Mr. Miller Time, Jason Miller. He had some extra that he gave me. So we got a nice vinyl oak floor, waterproof, knee-proof. That's awesome. Really can't see it, I guess. Here, how about that now? That was fun, that was new for me. I had to buy the tools, get the fancy hammer and the block and the hook thing, yeah, whatever they're called. I have no idea, because again, I'm a noob at this stuff. That looks really good. I got this metal end piece here for stairs, but it was just the right size. You might see a little bit of dent where the screws are, because it's literally like an 1/8 of an inch too tall. I don't care. I could always replace it later, but it works. It got me where I needed to be. So, the part that I'm terrified about, that I have to cut my first hole in the metal on the side of the brand new trailer. So my plan here is hold on. All right, so as all the other YouTubers who've done this pointed out, take the inside frame and your cut line is, you can check this out, is this right here. Not here, not here, but this one, because that's where it's gonna sandwich on to all the things. But the plan here is, oh yeah, so I took this, I put it on the foam board, traced out the inside and the outside, then I drew my cut line in between those two, so they're on there, so I know where my cut line is. And I've found the center of this, so I'm gonna drill 5 holes. I'm gonna drill 1 in the middle, 1 on each side, right up near the cut line, and 1 up top and 1 up bottom. Then I want to take this off, match it up on the outside, make sure everything looks good. Put my beadboard back in, re-drill the holes from the outside in. That way I will be able to get my jigsaw blade into it. Then tape the heck out of the outside as I'm supposed to with the blue tape, which I got here somewhere. Mark off my cut line again based on the holes and that, and then cut a giant hole in my trailer. So that's what's up now. I'm gonna get started with drilling some holes. Wish me luck. We're in the trailer. We're gonna drill some holes in my trailer. I got a nice metal bit here. We're gonna go through the plywood, the foam, and then a little bit of metal. I need these to be very, very precise, I hope. That's not precise. Okay, as level as I can possibly do. Oh, okay. That went through the plywood, and now this has got to be level. As level and as straight as I can possibly do. We hit a hole. Oh man. Okay. Two. That's it. Let's go outside and see what it looks like. Come on. I got holes. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. All right, so this should be square to the frame. So if I go to here, oh, this is hot. Maybe black wasn't a good idea. 18 9/16. Ooh, that's warm. Hot tamales. All right, it's just a 1/4 inch difference. No, not quite. 1/8 of an inch difference. But that's okay, because up and down they're fine. Let's try these. And again, I'm assuming this is kind of square, right? That's 6 3/4. Oh, I nailed that one. So that one's good. These could be up and down a little bit. What I do know is they are inside of the frame. Yes. All right, first thing done, I guess, right? Now I can put up the beadboard. Whoa, camera's falling down. Why does it do this? Anywho, so holes are drilled. We're gonna take the foam off the wall in there, and then put up the beadboard. All right, let's go. Big day finished today. Got my first holes drilled in the trailer. That went better than I expected. It was all in my head. It was easy. The bigger cut's gonna be a little more difficult, but we'll get to that. So I got the holes cut or drilled. Then I cut my first side of beadboard to length. Put it in with screws across the top and bottom. I've got Gorilla Glue construction adhesive on the back. Please forgive my rude, that's not even gonna help much, but it's there, it's what I got. It's pretty tight already. Yeah, that's in. Silver screws in there. I'm gonna paint over all those so they're all white. That's it. We got a floor and part of a wall. Tomorrow, hopefully, I can get the top section of beadboard up and prep for the big hole cut for the window, which will probably get done on Thursday. That's my plan anyway, so we'll see you then. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to follow along and hit that bell thing, you know, for the notifications when I post new videos, so you can follow along in this crazy it's a camper now, adventure. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a good night, everybody.